How to get back memories on Snapchat quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to get your memories back on Snapchat. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Snapchat app on your mobile phone. This can be done on an iOS or Android. Once you open up your Snapchat, then you will click on the setting at the top right corner. So it will take you to your account settings, and we have a lot of different settings here. You have to scroll all the way down to privacy, and in privacy we have my data. Click on my data, and here you need to log in once again. You will enter your email address and your password. So it will take you to my data here. Now you can see the data available is the name, usernames, payments, filters and lenses, memories, history and others. So we can download this data. You have to scroll all the way down, and right here you have to confirm your email address, you can see, and then you will click on submit my request. So once you submit the request, what will happen is that Snapchat will notify you on your email address, and then you can download all the data that you lost. So this way we can actually get back the memories we deleted, we do not have on Snapchat. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.